Hi guys, it is Info, and today I will show you how to delay clicks on your Honor Magic 6 Lite. To do that, in the first step we must open Settings application where we look for Accessibility feature selection. Now Accessibility, and there we scroll down to Touch option. Now we have tap duration and we press there, and now we can easily change it from short to medium and long. When we choose long, it can be helped. When we touch the screen by chance and until strong and long push, it won't open anything you want. As you can see, I must tap on for a long time to change it. That's all. Thanks for watching. Bye!